Mar kanisa mar All Saints Cathedral, Reverend Canon Omollo onyiso luoro ni nitiere riekni moko mag rocho chenro ewi monj manyocha jomaundu otimo e kanisano e kinde lalruok manobagi ewi budget. Kolose twak kod Citizen TV, Reverend Omollo wacho ni nitie ripode magiseyango ni ji mane oma mwandugi gi kwethno osechak luong kendo ichulo gi mwandugi mondo mi giwere kod wach kao okang' mar chik.
This gentleman who was arrested at All Saints on Friday, taken into one of the stations that I'll not mention, and DCI released a statement yesterday that they're investigating the matter. By yesterday, this suspect was released.
Oh, okay. This
suspect was released. And I want to put it here on record, and I'm happy to record statement at Mothaiga, on instruction that this matter needs to be killed. And the two people whose phones was allegedly stolen and went to complain, they were reimbursed 24,000 shillings each, so that this case is killed, does not proceed. So as we speak, there
and
is
the phones?
The phones were stolen. The phones disappeared. When there was the melee there, as you saw, 2 phones were stolen. They too reported. The said people who financed this stepped in to kill this case because of the publicity it has attracted, said, please release this guy. The guy was released, and they were paid each 24,000 shillings to go replace their phones.
Who paid?
So the people who mobilized the goons to come. And that simply tells you what he's saying, that we are not able...
Provost, who paid?
The people who mobilized them.